12. Tape script 12.1. Been there, done that.
Hi, Lara. Are you and Mel ready for your trip?
Yeah, nearly. We leave next Monday for Rome.
Ah, Rome. I've been to Rome many times.
Well, I've never been there. It's my first time in Europe.
Really? What about your friend, Mel?
She's been to London and Paris, but she hasn't been to Rome.
Ah, London and Paris. I've been there too. I studied in Paris for a year before I went to work in New York. Have you ever been to the US?
No, I haven't. I haven't travelled much at all, so I'm really excited.
Oh, I've been to North and South America so many times, and
I'm sure you have, Kyle. Oh dear, look at the time. Mel's waiting for me. We've got so much to do. Bye, Kyle. We'll send you a postcard.
Tape script 12.2. 1.
I've been to Rome many times.
2.
I've never been there.
3.
She's been to London and Paris.
4.
She hasn't been to Rome.
5.
I haven't travelled much at all.
6.
I've been to North and South America.
Tape script 12.3.
Have you ever been to Greece?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever been to Italy?
Yes, I have.
When did you go?
2 years ago.
Where did you go?
Rome, Florence and Venice.
Fantastic. Did you have a good time?
Yes, I did. It was great.
Tape script 12.4. Getting ready to go.
Where's the list?
I've got it. OK, let's check through. We've bought new backpacks. We did that a while ago.
They look quite big. I hope we can carry them.
No worries. I haven't finished packing mine yet. Have you?
Not yet. Just 1 or 2 more things to go in. Oh, have you collected the euros from the bank?
Yep. I've just collected 500 for you and 500 for me.
All our savings. I hope it's enough.
No worries. We can stay with my aunt in London.
Have you emailed her yet?
Yeah, she's just emailed back. She's going to meet us at the airport when we fly into London from Rome.
Fantastic. Hey, look, I've just found out the weather in Rome for next week. Hot and sunny.
Yay! It's going to be so good. We're going to leave winter here and arrive in the middle of summer in Europe.
What about the tickets?
I think we only need passports, but I've printed e-tickets just in case. But I haven't checked in online yet. You can only do that 24 hours before the flight.
Oh, Mel, I am so excited. I can't wait.
Tape script 12.5. Tense revision.
I'm really excited about my trip to Europe. I haven't travelled much outside Australia before. Just once, 2 years ago, I went on holiday to Bali with my family, but I've never been to Europe or the US. I often travel inside Australia. Last year I flew to Perth to visit my cousin who lives there. It's a 5-hour flight from Sydney, where I live. Australia's a big country. Also, I've been up to Cairns in the north 3 times. I learned to scuba dive there on the Great Barrier Reef. We've just finished packing, and now we're waiting for the taxi to take us to the airport. I've never flown on a 747 before. It's a very long flight. It takes 20 hours to get to Rome. I'm going to watch films all the way. I can't wait.
Tape script 12.6. No, not yet. 1.
Have you checked your emails yet?
Yes, I've just checked them, but there wasn't one from you.
2.
Have you done the shopping?
No, I haven't. I'm too tired to go out.
3.
Have you washed your hair?
Yes, I've just washed it.
4.
Have you cleaned the car yet?
Yes, I've just cleaned your car and mine.
5.
Mom, have you made the dinner yet?
Yes, dinner's ready. Go and wash your hands.
6.
Have you done the washing up yet?
No, I did it last night. It's your turn.
7.
Have you met the new student yet?
Yes, I have. I met her on the way to school this morning.
8.
Have you finished the exercise?
Yes, I've just finished it. Thank goodness.
Tape script 12.7. Song. Turin breaks. They can't buy the sunshine.
All in all, it's been a blast, but fame and fortune never last. So they warned us once and they told us twice. This life's never very nice. But they can't buy the sunshine. They can't buy the sunshine. They can't buy the sun. But they can't stop the sunshine on the sun, the sun, the sun. Sunshine, they can't buy the sunshine. They can't buy the sun, but they can't stop the sunshine. They can't stop the sunshine. They can't stop the sunshine on the sun, the sun, the sun. Shine, shine on the sun, the sun, the sun. Shine, shine on the sun, the sun, the sun. Shine, shine on the sun, the sun, the sun. Shine, shine on the sun, the sun.
Tape script 12.8. Elsa from Birmingham, England.
OK, I've been to Glastonbury 5 times now. My highlights this year were pear cider to drink and the American diner van with the best sausages and chips ever. However, I was very disappointed with the music on Saturday night. DJs played house music all night. I love house, but this was rubbish. I got really bored, so I went back to my tent to finish a bottle of pear cider with friends.
2. Daniel Evans from Wales.
Last Wednesday at 2:30 in the afternoon, I decided that I wanted to go to Glastonbury. I was lucky. I found a ticket on the Glastonbury message boards. I'm so glad I went. The music was brilliant. Sometimes it took a long time to get to the stages. The queues were long, but always friendly. In the busy real world, it's difficult to have good conversations with people. At Glastonbury, you can do this. It's a great festival with a great crowd of people. What more could you want? 100,000 friendly people. I wish the rest of life was the same. 4 days out of 365 is a good start.
Tape script 12.9. Take and get. 1,
Oh, it's really hot in here.
Why don't you take off your jumper?
2,
Is your office near where you live?
No, it takes a long time to get to work.
3,
What are your work colleagues like?
Great. We all get on really well.
4,
How often are there exhibitions in the museum?
They take place regularly, every 2 months.
5,
Do you like learning English?
It's okay, but sometimes I get really bored.
Tape script 12.10. 1,
The best way to get to the airport is to take a taxi.
2,
How long does it take if you go by train?
3,
I haven't got a camera. I take photos with my iPhone.
4,
Sue has taken her driving test 3 times and she's failed every time.
5,
Are you still getting ready? We're going to be so late.
6,
The doctor told me to take it easy if I want to get better soon.
7,
It rained on the day we got married. We got very wet, but still had a great day.
8,
You can't get on the bus with that big dog. Please get off.
Tape script 12.11. Travel announcements. 1,
The 11:55 for Newcastle, stopping at Peterborough, York and Darlington, is now ready to board on platform 10. There is a buffet car on this train. Please check that you have all your luggage with you.
2,
This is the number 22 for Piccadilly Circus. Next stop, Green Park. Stand back from the doors, please.
3,
Flight BA 1536 to New York is now ready for boarding at gate 58. Will passengers in rows 12 to 20 please board first? Passengers are reminded to keep their hand luggage with them at all times.
Tape script 12.12. Conversation 1.
Next, please.
A day return to Oxford, please.
That's £12.70.
Thank you. What time does the next train leave?
At 9:55. The platform number has just gone up on the departures board.
Oh, yes, I can see. Thank you very much.
Have a good journey.
Conversation 2.
Excuse me, does the number 24 go to the Natural History Museum?
No, it doesn't. You need the 360.
Where can I get it?
From that bus stop over there.
Oh, thanks for your help.
Don't mention it.
Tape script 12.13.
Have you checked in online?
Yes, we have.
Fine. How many suitcases have you got?
We haven't got suitcases, just backpacks.
Oh, yes. Can you put them on the scales?
Here you are.
They're fine. And how many pieces of hand luggage?
just these bags.
They're fine too. You board from gate 9 at 10:20.
Where do we go now?
To the departure gate and security check. They're over there.
Oh.
Have a nice flight.
Thanks very much. Goodbye.
Tape script 12.14. A poem. Why did you leave?
When did you leave?
I left at 4 in the morning.
When did you leave?
When the house was asleep.
Where have you gone?
To a huge, crowded city.
Where have you gone?
To a place where no one knows me.
What did you take?
Some money, not my mobile phone.
What did you take?
Not much, just memories.
How did you travel?
By taxi, by plane.
How did you travel?
I travelled alone. I have always travelled alone.
Why did you leave?
Because I wanted to see the world.
Why did you leave?
Because nobody listened. No one has ever listened to me.
Why don't they listen?
I don't know. I have never known.
Why don't they listen?
Because I have very little to say.
When are you coming home?
When I have become somebody. Do not wait.